I guess he wasn't a lunatic after all.
I'm flying! I'm flying!
He's flying, he's flying, he's really, really flying.
They laughed, they scoffed, before I had liftoff.
But now he's flying high in the sky.
I'd love to hang around to say I told you so, but it's off to jellyfish fields I go. Roads and streets are not for me.
Help! Please help! My snail's up a tree. I've had her since I was a little girl. But now it looks like the end of her world. No!
Gotcha! Next time, try the elevator.
Thank you, Birdman!
I have never felt so free. High in the sky is a place for me. Helping friends from up above. These are the things that I love. I'll help Mr. Krabs reclaim his dime. And I'll save Patrick from this mine. Even Plankton needs some help when he gets tangled in the cat.